You don't hate technology. You hate feeling confused by it. That's not your fault. At pace, we slow things down, we simplify complex tech, break down AI, and explain things like a human, not a manual. No single platform, no log system, just space to explore, experiment, and actually understand what you are using. Welcome to Pace Learn at Your Speed. Everything you just watched was generated from the instructions, not editing. Let me show you how that's possible, and you can generate the advanced type of animation by writing just simple normal prompt into it. Okay, let's dive into the video first. And entry gravity. So open a new tab, just type Remotion and click on first link. This will automatically give you the basic UI of the Remotion. The basic idea of the Remotion is to convert your text into the motion graphics. Let's dive into the introduction of the video. So what we are going to do is we just download the Remotion. I already explained you the idea behind the Remotion. It takes your idea and then create motion graphics. Okay, so what we are going to do is we use IDE, Google IDE like anti-gravity, and integrate both Remotion and anti-gravity, so it works as a SaaS. So when we prompt anti-gravity, it will automatically generate our video. We don't have to write again and customize the prompt, etc. Like, we are going to automate this process. Okay, so this will convert your video. Okay, so we can like use we use Remotion or Claude for better, but I don't want to use Claude, okay, because it's paid. Just open File Explorer and just we have to create the new file. Okay, so I'm gonna create new file. I'm going to name the folder as Remotion, or whatever you want to name, you can name it. Okay, create a Remotion, then just close tab and open anti-gravity. Okay, just type anti-gravity, open. I already installed the anti-gravity in my computer. If you want, you can just sign in to just type anti-gravity, and there is a downloading, you can download it. Yeah, this is the basic interface. Just open the folder we already created for like design. Just I'm going to agentic workflow and Remotion. Okay, just select folder. There is nothing in that folder. We have to download everything, all the documents of the Remotion into it. Okay, so what we are going to do is just copy this command npx create video at the rate latest and just paste it in anti-gravity. First you have to open the terminal. You can see third option, this is a terminal PowerShell option. Just paste the command. Okay, just paste the command. This will automatically going to download. You have to just command it and it will automatically download all these stuff. You don't have to do anything, just yes. Then select these are the some template, then select blank. Okay, yes, yes, this will take some minutes to render, so you have to give some time. Okay, these are the some option you can see, like this is the github repo and the skill and all the downloading stuff and all. Okay, just just have to enter. You don't have to like play with that. Just put it as a default setting. When you put it as a default setting, you just have to run both commands npm I and npm run dev. Okay, so I run the first command npm I and npm run. Okay, this will take some minute to download, to render. You have to wait for a while. Until this was downloaded, I want to show you how we are going to write the prompt. So you can clearly see this is the basic framework of the Remotion. So what we have to, like, we have a basic framework how the Remotion, how the prompting works in Remotion. This is the document. So you have to, like, if you want, you can read the document, the basic idea, because we are going to use Remotion, so we have to understand how the things gonna work. So just copy all the document, and we are going to paste it in like GPT. Okay, just open GPT, because I want to make for my YouTube channel. Okay, just paste all the prompt. It will understand, GPT understand, like how they are going to write the prompt. Okay, so cut. Then here I have, because I want to use my audio, so this is the my transcript of the audio which I want to use in my motion graphics. So just paste that audio. If you have audio, you can like install the paste the file also. Okay, but I want like, so the basic what you have to do is write the intro of my YouTube channel, which is basically paste. I want the website should I want the motion graphics should be premium. You have to understand everything, and write the exact prompt for me to create the, and you have to like go with the white theme, then try it like that. You So this is basic prompt and for the Remotion. Okay, just control C. You can whatever, so npm run thief. Put the prompt in GPT, it will give you the exact prompt how the things gonna work. Actually you have to like you have to try it again and again. You can see how much the detail the prompt was. If you want to write, you can't write, and the video is too much fluff if you don't use that. Okay, you can see this is hosted. Okay, because I run the command, this is hosted, the basic UI of the interface. Okay, and these are the, you can see there is nothing in it. This will be all the files generated when we download the Remotion into it. Okay, so I'm going to run this. I'm going to show you how the basic UI of this work out. Okay, this is a localhost. Here our outcome video will appear after we like give the prompt into that. Okay, so you can see how much the detail the prompt was. You can tweak if you first try to read this, and you can, if you want, you can tweak it like that. Actually I already write the prompt for my motion graphics, so I'm going to copy that. Okay, so before that we have to like I have to add my voice or my voiceover into public and asset. Okay, so just find, I am going to move in public, and public folder, where is public, just scroll down, it will get, you can see it will create tons of the file. You don't know how the thing's gonna work, so just there, here is a public file, we have to move it here. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to create public, in public folder you have to create the asset, then put your voiceover. What they are going to do is put your voice into that. Okay, so just copy the prompt which we already written through the ChatGPT or another type of stuff, and the document I firstly show, it will in the description of the video. Okay, so just copy all this stuff, control C, then put it into this side of anti-gravity, and we also have to paste the transcript of the audio. Okay, if you want, you can. So what I want, you have to you go and go in the skill section, rule folder, and the skill section, read all the required rules in the skill section, and remember in the mind you have to follow everything, and try to create the video which is motion graphic, which is looking so premium, like the intro of the YouTube channel. And remember all the ruling while creating the video, and it should be premium looking, and there is a public folder in the asset, you have to go through from it. Okay, I already put it in the audio, and I will write it also. Okay, file which is available in public.asset, I made the asset folder. Okay, file is available in public.asset folder, just have to write this public/asset. because I mentioned this because I don't want it will play with my voiceover or something like that, so I put it in. So after that it will like generate your voiceover, generate your motion graphics. You just have to accept all the command. Okay, um, before that I will show you how the thing's gonna work. It will take some moment to render. Okay, so this is, this is the basic UI, and you, if you want to like update in a premium look, you can like go to GitHub of the Remotion. You can see there are many options. Today I will make the basic level of motion graphics or video for my. If you want detailed explanation or the detail, you can go and check out this GitHub report. This will it will give you everything like 3D motions and every type of video you can imagine. Let's understand. Okay, so first, like, we are going to prompt it. Okay, prompt the anti-gravity and cloud of the brain, render it and understand the intent and choose visual and generate voiceover. This is the basic, whatever I'm going to show in the video. Just accept it. You can see this will create the whole implementation program for the project. So you have to just carry forward. Okay, and then minimize the tab. Just understand what we are going to do. Like, the basic first stage of the video, what I'm going to do, just a text and it will create a basic video. Okay, but the second stage is skill enhancement. You can add your voice, change logo, because the first video is not perfect. It will like randomly create some type of stuff. You have to tweak it through the anti-gravity. And the last stage, or for the second stage, just like I want to use my voiceover. Okay, if you want to automate all the process, so you can like you can go to whisper.ai and just copy that their API key and put it into a anti-gravity, and it will give the access of Nano Banana and 11 Labs, something like that. These are software you can use without applying into that. Okay, and the next stage is like you have your own YouTube video. Okay, so what they are going to do is it will chain your video. You just upload your video and say can you please upload the intro and the ending of the video. You have to explain the details, like your existing YouTube video, AI instructions, add intro, add outro. This will automatically create all this stuff. Okay, you can see there are scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. These are the what are the scenes we are going to use. There are 8 scenes because the video is 30 seconds long, so there are 8 scenes of the different motion. Okay, so just wait for some minutes until it was rendering this stuff. You can see this is hosted our server. This is our server. After all the things are done, you just have to run npm run dev again. If you don't want, just type in anti-gravity, run my command. You can see this will take you can see our out mp4 video after getting too much command, and our out mp4 video is ready. Let's run it. You don't hate technology. You hate feeling confused by it. That's not your fault. At pace, we slow things down. We simplify complex tech, break down AI, and explain things like a human, not a manual. No single platform, no log system, just a space to explore, experiment, and actually understand what you are using. Welcome to Base Learn at your speed. You can clearly see how amazing the output it is. So you just have to like you can like tweak the changes into just by prompting here. Okay, so you just have to or you can like just open the folder. This will give you a out folder. So you, if you want to download, just tell I want to download the folder and just open the file explorer, and you can let me show you how things gonna go in like in terminal of the Chrome. Okay, just open it, localhost server. Okay, so this will show the output. Okay, you can see this is the output. We already see the output of the video in the starting of the video, so you can add 3D elements and the visual into it. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.